Action.
Man, you see, can't complain with my life right now. Marriage life is the greatest thing, brother. Greatest thing. Yo, I have my wife and me have me. She pregnant now, you know?
What?
She pregnant now. And she's about to have, because it's her third child. So, we're just happy, you know what I mean? And there's nothing right now can make me sad. Because I'm not going to go out of my way and do nothing or cause or compromise the relationship in any way. That's how me do it. You know what I mean? That's how me stay. That's my too hard though, but that's how me live my life. You know what I mean? Yeah. So, So what going with you though? Of your life?
Action.
Man, you see, can't complain with my life right now. Marriage life is the greatest thing, brother. Greatest thing. Yo, I have my wife and me have me. She pregnant now, you know?
What?
She pregnant now. And she's about to have, because it's her third child. So, we're just happy, you know what I mean? And there's nothing right now can make me sad. Because I'm not going to go out of my way and do nothing or cause or compromise the relationship in any way. That's how me do it. You know what I mean? That's how me stay. That's my too hard though, but that's how me live my life. You know what I mean? Yeah. So, So what going with you though? Of your life?
Action.
Boy, I'm glad she is still, but I tell you the truth in the general. Me no believe in the marriage thing, Them they sitting there rope in the aisle. I wonder if you understand what I mean. Quick. I don't believe in that. So me happy for you still, but my life right now come like a rough sea. If you can't swim down, go there. So I saw my life set up right now. But I'm glad for you still married and I get a youth. Wish me now I'm promising to me they go married, Me and your friend, but God know me not married.
And
But wait, stop. Go again. What come here drink?
action.
Well, brother, what kind of careless life you are going with? Me know you know them something, brother. You have to be married, second long, and have a, a respectable life for the most high. 'Cause you don't know the things that, You know what I mean? 1 second. Hello? Yeah? Hold on, I call her. I go call her, but just give me 5 seconds. I call her. Yo, as a matter of fact, see the thing I say you want, brother. Nah, waste of time. So we talk, yeah? So man has a respect and big up yourself. So link me up if I nothing look moment and we reason. Yes sir?
See?
Because you don't know a thing said, you know?
If you make I show you. Married.
Oh God. Action.
So hold it. You know what I mean? Cause this you know what I mean? But that deal I did now still.
You see what I tell you? Me just I tell you about the married thing. And them I see you mash up friendship. You use where 190 then there? A 6 grand they beg you. And you look for me and give me 6 bills to do what? This can't even buy tissue on my yard. You must have a nice life in You're married life. And one more thing. You see, the rope and aisle business not reaching a hit.
Alright, boy, I tell you.
And action.
I'm alright, yes. I don't know what time of strike, 1 o'clock. I think I money go up on tree. I call my girl and find out what she do with. I don't understand what kind of phone call this. Nah, man, you shouldn't call me them time. Let me see what I'm going on. Rapunzel. What's the... What you say? What do you mean you're pregnant? Okay, so, well, congratulations because at the end of the day, you must know we what? Me? No, don't do that. Don't do that. I don't understand that one then. If you do what? Which part you then right now? Which part you there right now? Tell me this. I see them bulldozers there around that corner there. Down in that lane there. Alright, tie the dog them. Tie the dog them. Make sure the dog them tie. Cause me can't bother if get no more dog bite again. Tie the dog them. Alright? Me a foul right now. Yes. Run back. Alright, me a coming up. Tie the dog them. Alright.
And action.
Tie the dog them. Right? Me a come. No, me a drive up right now. So tie the dog them. Yeah, she tie the dog them.
Action. And action.
Hold on there. Me know me didn't hear good. Can't be say Rapunzel or say Pum Pum, this boy I come to. Watch him. And that boy have a perfect married life. Think me a fool, let him not hear the voice on the phone, they have a fuss here.
And
All of that, man. Perfect marriage, yeah man. Yeah man.
action.
No, I'm stressed out, you know.
And
Foggy?
action.
Public. Wagwan. I want to talk to you about something really important. Wait, no. Alright, make sure you call me back, you know. May I wait for you? Alright.
And action. And action.
Wagwan. I'm pregnant. Yes, I'm pregnant. What do you mean on the fear, baby? I only want me do it raw with, you know? Yes, the dog them tie up. Alright, hurry up and come.
And action.
How that?
Rapunzel.
Come in.
You not look pregnant.
You see belly?
And action.
Rapunzel.
How that?
I mean public.
Alright, come in.
Okay. Boy, you look pregnant.
So how this?
You don't just them a while ago.
No.
I see your belly as big man.
No, my belly.
Sorry. I saw you look sorry. I saw you look and I saw you go. Sorry, I'm sorry, fam. I'm sorry, you know. Let's do it again. Oh shit.
And action. Ready.
Rapunzel. Rapunzel.
How that?
I'll make you wait 1 second.
I'm in.
Alright, come in.
If I know what's going on for me now, you hear them information, yeah. Boy. Rapunzel. or no?
Tell her already, so I'm pregnant.
But you don't look pregnant.
So how this?
No food, you just eat a while ago.
No, I don't name no food. That's how my belly big. Since
Exactly.
baby
I
a
say,
grow.
since make up your mind what you talk about.
The baby a grow.
Baby
So
a
that's
grow.
why my belly big, so.
So how much months this now?
3.
3 months.
Mm-hmm.
So what make you say that for me?
Cause I ain't only one me do it without nothing. We just go natural.
Rapunzel, remember what you do for a living.
That not say, but you know, so me not take chance with anybody. Me always make them put on their rubber. But me not make you put on a rubber. That's why me not say I feel.
You sure?
Yes.
You know, so this is going to jeopardize everything now.
What you mean?
What you mean? Guys, guess what now? You're tied to me now in a one way where you're not supposed to be. Good?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. No, come see how I move. Sorry.
You didn't cut a while ago?
No records. Come again. So pick it up from, you're tied to me. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
You're tied to me now in a one way where me not understand how to get out of it. You sure you want to keep it?
Yeah, now we can't raise the baby together.
No, we can't raise it together.
Why?
I already have what I have in my yard.
So, I know me tell her if breed me.
Rapunzel, you know, can't believe you put me in that situation. Alright, you are going. We have to go find a plan because, but you can't, I can't me and you.
So, me and who
But
then?
we have to find a plan. So just think about it, man.
Me not think about it, make up my mind already.
If you want me to write you a
No.
check,
No, I want you in my life. I want me to raise the baby together.
Rapunzel, nobody with something there.
Yeah, I want me to raise the baby together so can be a family.
Rapunzel, come on Rapunzel, put a sock in it, man. Rough.
He said, put your sock in it. What the fuck?
We're gonna take it from General. You just not film with the book. See? Hey V, why pray? So alright. So what's gonna take it from now?
Put your sock in it.
It's like I got on BTS camera. Straight BTS. By the shizneck. Rough. So we'll take it from General. Stop video the man! Hey!
It's annoying. See, you might be there so long. It's annoying, man. And I say, I keep on make mistake in it. Annoying.
No, I think I just go carry story how you carry it now, so it'll finish.
So where take it from?
I don't know.
Yo, Mr.
Come on, put your sock in it. Put your sock in it. Put your sock in it.
Here, grab me. Can you know if you cut enough stuff? Alright, come in. Ready?
Ready?
Grab me. No. That can't work out. You know that already. Alright, here we go do. Just take a few days, think about it, because me sure what me have to do. Think about what you gonna do. If you want to find somebody and give the pitney, better you do that. Me will still send some money and take care of you.
Me no want think about it.
You know.
Me already tell you say you me want. Me
No.
want me you be a family. That me want.
No. Can't work. Can't work.
No, please.
Just find somebody and we will take care of you. Here?
No.
So alright.
Where you go? Where you go?
Me have to
Where you
go.
go?
Me have to go. Make it baby.
No. Where you go? Come-
We work it
come
out, man. Me
back,
call.
come back, come
Don't
back.
let us say. Lose the dog them now. We call.
I can't bear that, you know. You better know say man take care of this happy day. I'm not do it by myself. Alright. Come go in here.